Today class we are going to learn more sums about LCM. Look at the first question. Find the least number exactly divisible by 12, 15, 20 and 27. We are going to find the LCM of the four number. That number must be divisible by the given number. Okay, let us see now. Required number is equal to LCM of the given numbers are 12, 15, 20 and 27. We are going to find the LCM by the common division method. That method is easy here. If I use factorization, it will be go long. These four numbers must divisible by 3 table. 12 by 3 is 4, 15 by 3 is 5, 20 is not divisible by 3, therefore write 20 as it is. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 5 and 20 must divisible by 5 table. I am applying the prime factorization here. Write 5 as it is. 4 is not divisible by 5. Write 4 as it is. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 9 is not divisible. Therefore, write 9 as it is. Now, divide this by 2 table. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Again 4 divided by 2 is 2. Write 9 as it is. 9 is not divisible by 2. Therefore, I am writing 9 as it is. Again divided by 2. 1, 1, 1. 9 is not divisible by 2. Therefore, I am writing 9 as it is. I am using prime factorization. Therefore, I am divide each divisor must be prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are prime numbers. Okay. 1 write as it is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Again divided by 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, LCM is the product of the number 3 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We multiply the term. 3 5s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 3s are 54. Write the 0. Therefore, required number is 540. Divide 540 by 12. The remainder must be 0. Then divide 540 by 15. The remainder must be 0. Divide 540 divided by 20. The remainder is 0. 540 divided by 27. The remainder must be 0. Therefore, 540 is divisible by the number 12, 15, 20 and 27. Next question. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 leaves the same remainder 1 in each case. The required number is nothing but the LCM of the given number plus 1. Because remainder is 1, therefore we are adding 1 to the LCM. Therefore, first we write required number is equal to LCM of the given numbers are 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Remainder is 1, therefore I am adding 1. We use the common division method. 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. These numbers divisible by 3 table first. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 7 write as it is because it is not divisible by 3. 8 is not divisible. Therefore, I am writing as it is. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Next, I am going to divide by 2 table. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 7 is not divisible. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 3 is not divisible. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Again, divide by 7 table. 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 4, 3, 2 is not divisible. Therefore, I wrote as it is. Next, by 2 table. 1, 1, 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 is not divisible. 2 is 1 time. Again divided by 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1. Divide this by 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, LCM is nothing but the product of the number 3 into 2, 7, 2 into 2 into 3. Multiply the number. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 7 into 3, 21. If you multiply the number, 24 into 21 is 504. But required number is LCM plus 1. Therefore, required number is equal to LCM is 504 plus 1 is equal to 505. If you divide 505 divided by 6, you get the remainder 1. Similarly, if you divide the 505 by 7, 8, 9 and 12, you get 1 as the remainder. Therefore, our sum is correct now. The next sum, find the largest number of 4 digits exactly divisible by 12, 15, 18 and 27. Find the largest number of 4 digits exactly divisible by 12, 15, 18 and 27. First we find the largest 4 digit number. The largest 4 digit number is 9999. This number must be divisible by the LCM of the 4 number. First we are going to find the LCM of this number. This number divisible by 3 table, therefore divide this by 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Again divided by 3, 4, 5 is not divisible, write as it is. 6 divided by 3 is 2, 3 divided by 3 is 3. Divide this number by 2, we get 2, 5, 1, 3. Again divided by 3, I get 1, 5, 1, 3. Divide this by 5, 1, 1, 1, 3. Divide this by 3, I get 1, 1, 1, 3. Therefore, LCM equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Multiply this number, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 2 5s 3 into 3, 9, 9 2s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 10 into 3 is 30, 18 3s are 540. Therefore, LCM is 540. I am going to divide the 4 digit largest number by 540. I will get the answer. Divide the largest 4 digit number 9999 by the LCM 540. 1 times 540 into 1 is 540. Subtract the number, we get 9 minus 0, 9 minus 4, 459. Take the next digit 9. This is 8 times divisible. 540 into 8 is 4320. Subtract the number, I get 279. Therefore, 279 is the remainder. Therefore, required number is 9999 minus 279. Remainder is 0. We can take this number as the answer. But remainder is 279. Therefore, we are subtracting from 9999 minus 279 is 9720. This is the largest 4 digit number exactly divisible by 12, 15, 18 and 27. If you divide this number by 12, you get the remainder as 0. Similarly, by 15, 18, 27 also we get the remainder as 0.